I mean, I guess you already gave a lot of tips for those who want to sell. So like we talked about preparing your business and, for being sold once you're, like in the process already. But for those who are starting, maybe for those who are maybe not even starting, like myself, I have like, our business does like a year like in sales. This year, we're probably going to do like 700,000, 600, probably closer to that seven. So we're like, our margins are this year probably going to be like 25%, which is like last, like previous years were hovering around 20, but this year, like our prices are higher. What should I look at, man? Like if I want to sell this business, and I actually asked for, I think last year I got offered like 2.2, or actually this year earlier, 2.2 for the yearly profits of last year. So not as close to four or something, yeah. But what should we look at? Like those who are thinking of future exit, how should we structure our business? Maybe, what do you think?
Yeah, so first of all, I would give you advice, don't sell it for 2.2. Wait, don't be in a rush because it's an all-time low. It
Yeah.
doesn't make sense that you sell a business that, works and makes so much money for just 2.2 of your yearly earnings. It's
Yeah.
unheard of in any other business. So I don't think it's like sellers now shouldn't really sell for those numbers. Even if it's basically supply and demand, right?
Yeah.
The supply is higher than the demand. So basically, that's why we see those numbers. But when the economy will kind of straighten and go up again, those numbers will go up. But what you can do in the process is to grow it. Sometimes you want to show a bigger revenue just to attract a bigger pool of buyers, just so, rather than higher profit margins. Yes, they also look at margins, and it's something very important. But if
Yeah.
you like, maybe advice to you, Boba, because you're on the borderline between 6 to 7 figures, maybe
Yeah.
make a little less profit margin, grow it to a
Interesting.
7 figure, and then you open yourself to more eyes, more buyers. So, of course, it depends everyone and their situation. But for beginners, a little more beginners than you, it's just starting maybe, their advice to them is to think about building the business ready to be sold. Have their P&L ready, have their cost of goods, their invoices, everything should be really organized, because it's really pain in the ass, excuse me for my language, to kind of look for it after a year or two, to look for all these invoices and all these
True.
kind of receipts and all this stuff. Every receipt that you have, while you have this, keep it and organized where in Google Drive or somewhere, and it will save you a ton of time and headaches.